Alright, so what we got here today is just a broken tachometer. Hour meter doesn't work and the RPM meter doesn't work. So took off the entire gauge console there. Went back all the way down to the engine here, as you can see. And later found out that, lo and behold, the actual metal cable that turns the RPM meter and the hour meter was busted in half. So we got a new one, and we'll put that guy in and we'll test it out and see how it works. So new tachometer meter cable, straight from Mexico there. Original Kubota, made in Japan. So we'll take it out, put it in. So first we just got to take out the old one, disconnect it. It's nice and easy, it's only hand tight. And there we go. Out. Take out the new one. Make sure alright, so the only thing you gotta be careful about is one end has a square end on it right here. It goes into the back of the tachometer, the RPM meter, and then this side actually hooks to the engine. So as you spin one, spins the other. Works beautifully. Now we'll put her in. Alright, let me just have to route the cable through the hole here, and we'll bring it in, and we'll hook it up to the back of the tach here in just a minute. Alright. And that's that. Nice and simple. Underneath, everything's all hooked in. Route the cable through its hole, underneath the dash, and then connect it right to the back there. And you're all set. And I'll test her out. Make sure she works.